Hey guys, so I'm not on camera because I look a mess. I'm busted, y'all. But this Wednesday is my husband's birthday, and we're going on a little mini trip. No, we're not getting on any planes and doing anything crazy. Look at that drawer ruining my shop, but whatever. But yeah. Look at this cute bag, y'all. I got this from Ashley Stewart. They had a sale. Y'all know I don't be spending no thousands on my bags. I'm not to that point yet. But yeah, I had got this from Ashley Stewart. It was on sale. It's cute. It's gonna go with my outfit for his birthday night. Look at me. Look at this. Look at me. Hey guys, so we're finally on our way to where I'm going again. Oh,
Corpus Christi.
Corpus Christi, Texas. Yeah, so we're gonna spend the night out there. In total, it's like 2 days, but you know, and we have so much planned. I'm gonna have so much footage, so I can't wait for y'all to see it. Yeah, so let's go. Guys, look at all of this land. I wanted to really let y'all hear what was going on outside as well as in the car, but you know how YouTube is with that copyright. But the scenery on our way to Corpus Christi was just so amazing. I haven't seen anything like this since I left Jamaica, so I was just loving it. All right, so we stopped at Jack in the Box and got breakfast. First of all, I didn't even know Jack in the Box had its own caramel frappe or whatever they call it. It was not my cup of tea. This was when we were pulling up to the beach. It's crazy. We didn't even go to our hotel or anything. We came straight to the beach. Looked just the way it looked in the pictures. It was cute. The water was clean. So we enjoyed that little bit before we headed over to the hotel. We were early anyway. I know what y'all are thinking. She done came back on camera looking crazy. We already done went to the beach. Didn't even get to the hotel yet. But we're about to go check in now. And the beach is so beautiful. I think I'm gonna insert some clips. But my bad y'all, but I've been having fun. But yeah.
Actually gonna get in contact with housekeeping.
Sure.
Real quick, check-in typically isn't until 3, so I need to see what
Oh,
room we
I
have
thought it was
available.
noon on the
okay.
website. I must have misread it.
Oh.
Okay.
That's for a checkout typically.
Okay.
Not
So there
a
we go.
problem.
Yeah.
Let's see. Front desk to housekeeping. Is there any king suites readily available? I have guests that are.
Y'all, look at my lashes. I know y'all seen the lashes I had on. Flew straight off. Why you laughing at me? No, like, yo. Alright, y'all, this is the hotel room. Just pretty simple. My husband's resting right now, so I'm not gonna go to the right. It's a pretty simple room. Ooh, let me not go to the mirror because I'm not properly dressed. And then this is the bathroom right here. Shower. It's pretty clean and cute. Y'all look, period. Never leave home without it. Toilet and sink. The sink is cute. Yep. As you can see earlier, my lashes came off because I was just doing too much. But I took the makeup off completely. Now we're about to head to, I'm trying to turn so y'all can see me. We're about to head to dinner at, where are we going? I don't know.
BKK.
Oh, BKK. It's a Thai restaurant. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys when we get there and what I got to eat. Again, so sorry, y'all. This copyright is just ruining my entire video. But anyway, we went to the BKK restaurant. It was a Thai kitchen and bar. The drinks were pretty good. The water was good. We ordered some cheese rolls, which are these things right here, and veggie rolls, which are the ones on the right. And they were pretty good, nice, cooked, real nice and everything like that. I wish I could let y'all hear how crunchy and crispy it was, but again, the copyright is driving me insane. However, this was probably one of the worst restaurant experiences I've ever had. Muay Thai chicken with sticky rice. This is actually rice right here in this pouch. Alright, y'all, so this is me trying to open the pouch to get the rice out so I could show it to y'all. Y'all, I was just so disappointed with this chicken dinner.
Wow.
Hey y'all, so you know how I just showed y'all the plate of food with the chicken. Y'all, me and my husband cut into our chicken and that shit was 100% raw. Especially his. A big old gush of blood came out of the middle of his chicken, cutting through the thigh and leg area because it was a half a chicken. So we sent it back and I guess the man was in his feelings. All he did was threw it on the grill for probably 5 minutes and sent it back out. The same exact chicken on the same plate. When my husband cut his again, the thigh was not cooked. Still raw. So the egg rolls were good. They were really, really good. But the drinks are good. But the food was raw. So that's the end of that. Y'all, there he come. I done found my way to Walmart because we need some snacks for the room. You okay?
Yep.
I didn't know what else to get. That's what I got.
Okay, so we got cups. Okay. Well, we didn't exactly get sunset, but we did get this.
Alright, yeah, it's coming. We gonna have it. It's so pretty. So how you liking your birthday so far?
It's awesome.
This day one.
Yep.
You ready for day two?
I'm ready.
You're I'm looking forward to them dolphins. I've never
Yeah.
been to one before. I've never been to a
Neither have I. So it'll be pretty cool to finally see one in person.
yeah.
Hope they don't rip us off.
Huh?
Hope they don't rip us off. Hope there's actual
I hope it looked
dolphins.
like right.
Okay, it needs to look exactly like a goddamn picture, okay?
Oh Lord. Actually, what if they look half dead?
Tear that place up, okay? You know
Stop.
what just need.
We did pay.
Exactly.
And be quiet.
You know, tickets are not exactly cheap. Okay, I could have seen like 2 movies,
3
maybe 3 for the
4.
price of those damn tickets.
3D movies. 4 3D movies.
Shoot, it's all good. It's all good.
I think it'll be okay.
Yeah.
We going to the aquarium, y'all.
Yeah, we're going to the aquarium. It's gonna be pretty cool. I think it'll be pretty good. I can't wait.
Alright, y'all. I'll be back with more footage. Look at me with the camera in your face. Hey, y'all. So, remember the clip I showed y'all? We were in Walmart. It's really hot down here. So, we got some t-shirts instead, to wear today. So, I got this one right here called I Used to Be... What? What the heck? How I missed it? Oh, I used to be a people person. Then people ruined it. I sure did get that one. Or should I wear You Need Jesus? Which one? Okay, I'm going with people person. Alright, y'all, this is my outfit of the day. This is the last day. I have on these gladiator slippers with this fairy skirt. My bag. I don't care what I got on. This is the bag I'm wearing because I don't have to worry about it. Just put it around my shoulder. Regular t-shirt, and it says we need Jesus, or does it say you need to, it says y'all need Jesus. And so this is the one I rolled with from when I showed y'all. Oh, how do I show? Oh, that's my hair. Simple makeup, just pink lippy. And yeah, so we're headed to the aquarium. So now the fun stuff really starts. So I'm gonna have a lot of footage and pictures. Ooh, y'all, look at this bridge. Yo, we're so far up. Oh my God, I can't. Get me off of here.
It's fine, baby.
Get me off of here. Get me off of here now. Y'all look.
That's the museum for the USS Lexington.
And that's where we're going. Let me zoom in. Yo, it is so beautiful. Oh my God. You said that's the Texas one? I'm sorry.
No, that ship is a museum. That's the USS Lexington.
Oh. But
I don't think
where we're going.
No, that's not where we're going. I don't think.
What?
Right there.
This side?
Get all the signs. They always look nice. All right, now let's get to this place here.
Alright, you guys, so we got Chick-fil-A for lunch before we went in the aquarium. That's it right there. The show that we wanted to see was the dolphin and some other fish show, whatever show. And it starts at 11 and 11:30, and this is the time now. So we're just about on time. We're about to go up in there. So hey y'all, so we just checked in. The lady said we need to go because so we can get a seat. Bit of a walk, so I'm gonna get there and then I'll turn the camera back on.
First up, we have Schooner. Schooner is 12 years old, and he's light gray in coloration and small in body. Give it up for Rico! And over here, see? So, away high to Kapai. Now, last but not least, we have Shadow. Shadow is our oldest and largest dolphin. He is 26 years old, and he tips the scales at almost 500 pounds. Let's make some noise for Shadow! We are. So they do need to breathe air, but they do not do so through their mouths. They use their blowhole, which is located on the top of their head.
Alright, y'all. Child, we try to do more stuff. It's hot. Texas is hot. What is sun at? I need to show them the sun, y'all. It's hot.
We are hiding from it.
And this entire thing is like outdoor. I thought it was indoor. That's why we came. But it's hot, y'all. My makeup done sweated off. Alright, y'all, we finna go. I got Starbucks for the road because it's like and look at this box water. I wasn't gonna leave without this box water. I'll show y'all more about that later. But I got a pink drink from Starbucks. This is how outside looks. But yeah, I had a good time. Baby had a good time?
Yeah, it was great.
Okay. Look at him. He's so happy because he caught all his pictures. I didn't annoy him. I didn't get mad with him because he looked like a tourist. All right, you guys. So we're finally on our way home. The trip was about 3 hours long and about 180 something miles. I had so much fun. Happy birthday, babe. I love you so, so much. And I will catch you guys on my next video.